What do you think?
It's good.
Can you taste the coconut?
Yep.
Strawberry?
And this cake is really, really good. I'm not a fan of cake, but I like this one. Let me finish this one.
I think this is one of the best as well.
Mm-hmm.
This is really good. Okay. I trust you. You like it.
It's good.
Thank you. For this recipe, as always, my ingredients here used in this recipe will be found down in the description box for you. Ingredients and measurements, of course. This is what I will be using today. Now, these are the strawberries that I found in the store today, and I can tell you, I have never seen strawberries quite this big, but this is what we're going with. So, wow, this is huge, guys. Okay, let's get into this recipe. Now, as I normally do to make my cake flour, I've removed 4 tablespoons of the all-purpose flour, and I will be replacing it with my cornstarch. So to make our frosting, what we're going to use is half a cup of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. I have my powdered sugar here and my vanilla extract. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed together. I used a total of 5 cups of powdered sugar, adding each cup individually. Alright, so I'm going to scrape my bowl. And this is pretty thick, just the way I want it to be. This is excellent. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my vanilla extract. I'm adding in some whipped cream. I feel like I want to add a dash of lemon. And just a touch butter extract in there. And we're going to see what this tastes like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in just a bit of cornstarch, about 1 tablespoon. And I need to throw in a dash of salt. Alright, I'm going to transfer this over to another bowl, just so you can see how thick it is. That's the consistency. Alright, we're going over to our cake bowl now, going to put our batter together. All ingredients are at room temp. I have my butter and my shortening. We're going to go ahead and get this blended together and then add in my sugar. All right, I think this is what we are looking for. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. Now, right out of the gate, I have dropped 2 eggs instead of 1 as I intended. But we're not going to panic. We're simply going to go ahead and get these mixed in and keep it moving. Stopping my bowl to scrape down a bit. We're now going to go ahead and add in our extract. I have vanilla, coconut, and strawberry. All right, food coloring. Now, depending upon your desired shade of pink, you can either go heavy or light with your food coloring. I used about a little over a teaspoon here. Starting now to add in our wet and dry mix. Beginning with a cup of flour, I'm going to mix this in intervals of 3. Half of my buttermilk. Second cup of flour. All right. Now I'm going in with the remainder of our flour. And as I always do, I'm going to take the time to scrape my bowl before this gets mixed in any further. Going in to scrape my bowl before the final mix. In the next few frames here, you're going to see me adding in my strawberry puree. I have about 1/4 cup here. And then I'll also be adding in some of the strawberry juice. I'm choosing to mix this in by hand. We'll be back in a moment.